Hello everyone, welcome to this installment of the series of webinars explaining how to use the UrbanTap. In this case, we will focus mostly on the world settlement footprint, how to explore it on national level, on subnational level, how to download the data, and that's it. So first, how do we get to the world settlement footprint and explore data on national level? We will go to the UrbanTap main page, and when you load it, then you will see the World Settlement Footprint WSF layer now available in the top. There is a Browse WSF button. If you click on this button, it will open the Visualization Analytical Toolbox with the prepared analytical tools for exploring the World Settlement Footprint on the national level and as a product itself. The statistical information from national level were derived based on the Global Administrative Unit 3.6 version. Okay, so now we see a World Settlement footprint in the Europe, for example. On the right side, we can see the reports, which will show us the information derived for the statistical units of countries. First shows the information for year 2012 and 2015. The information from 2012 are derived from Global Urban Footprint, 2015 from World Settlement Footprint. This means that they are not really directly comparable. The methods and also the values then differs quite a lot. What might be more relevant is the combination of the urban area per lights. Here you can see the information about the urban area derived from World Settlement Footprint with the information about the percentage of area of the statistical unit that was affected by night lights throughout the year 2015 that was derived from the VIIRS dataset produced by NASA. In the search chart, you can see non-urban area. That might be relevant for you. And in the last, you can see a table where you can sort the data based on the information. For example, here, you're looking on the countries that have the least non-urban area based on these calculations. If you are interested in taking the data out from the platform, it's possible to export them as CSV, which you can then use for future reference, as you can see. So this is on the national level. Of course, you can also see some charts, some choroplets on the left. Next step would be to explore them on subnational level. The national level and the subnational levels are derived based on the Global Administrative Unit's GADMs. To get to the subnational level, we need to go back to the UrbanTap portal and go to the community workspace. Here we will find the starter users community. It's quite probably the first one. If you are not registered, you will have to register at this moment. And in the starter users community, once it's loaded, there is the application for export state of global urbanization in 2015. If we go to this application, we will get to the same tool, but focused already on the data not just on national, but also subnational levels. You can see a very similar GUI. The main difference is in the areas. It wasn't there before, and this allows you to explore the data on the level more detailed than nation. On the right side, we can now see two charts. First of them shows the combination between the urban area and the administrative unit area in square kilometers. The second one shows the relationships between the percentage of urbanization and density of population. The density of population is on the x-axis, the percentage of urban area on the y-axis. There are some outliers that you can look through, and so on. On the map, meanwhile, the choropleth showing the percentage of urban area was displayed. You can see what exactly does it mean. As this is about subnational level, we will focus, for example, on Germany and find out how does the statistic look like for the districts or for regions in Germany. As you can see, it's very fast displayed in the charts. Not so fast, but later on it's going to be displayed in the map as well. If this is already what you need, you can either create snapshots of the map, or you can create snapshots of charts, which you can download, of course. And you can download the data again via the export CSV. So if you want to go into even more detail, you can get to all in the next level. Here we can see a few thousand of districts in Germany. And again, we can download the data for them. So this is how you can explore the national and subnational level. It goes up to the administrative level 2. So this is the most detailed level that you will get. The legend for the layer is calculated based on the available extent. So in this case, it's for Germany. So in Germany, you have districts that has above 24% of urban area. So that's in this part. Next step would be to download the subset of the product directly. If you want to download the product directly, then you need to get to the Earth Observation Processing Services. It's possible either directly from the main page, or there is the link on the top under the Cox. Now you will get into the GeoBrowser, which is focused on Earth observation services. If you are properly logged and in proper communities, you will see some amount of services on this site. What you want to look for is UrbanTab subsetting. Basically, you can take a look at subsetting, and you want to use the UrbanTab subsetting. It's because this one doesn't cost you anything to use at the moment. You will select the layer WSF, density, 2015 Germany. No. Then it's UrbanTab subsetting. Use this one. Then you will select some of the areas you are interested in by zooming somewhere. Let's say that I'm interested in the area around Munich. Then I will use one of the filters and say, okay, this is the area that I want to take. I will provide the region WKT based on the area, and then I will calculate cost. In this case, it's going to be 0. Then the processing will start. It will take some time to process. Afterwards, once the processing is finished, you can take a look at jobs. You will get to an example that will look like this in Success, where you will go for show results. This will show, for example, my earlier attempt to download the data for Prague. And to download the data, it's possible to click on the discovery feed for local data and click on download. This will allow you to download zipped information about the GLTIF. So this is the step that you should take if you want to download some subset of the WSF for your own analysis. If you have any questions with respect to how it works, then the community workspace, Starter community, discussion forums are a good place to start. The discussions go to discuss. Here you can create a new questionnaire and we will answer you. Okay, so this is it on our side. Thanks for staying with us and for your patience, and I hope that this will help you to understand how to use the Urban tab for WSF 2015. Bye.